Hello everyone and welcome to the another session of Capricorn Tech Tuesday. In this session, we'll discuss about new updates on docs or what's new. Before moving ahead to our topic, let's have a look who we are. We are Capricorn Technologies, a Win Zero company, digitalization and net zero partners. We are here as a technical support provider from last 40 years. ACC or Autodesk Construction Cloud is generally divided in three parts. One is Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro for the design phase of our project, Autodesk Takeoff for pre-construction phase of our project, Autodesk Build for the construction phase of our project. Apart from that, we have Autodesk Docs, which is a common data environment, and apart from that, Insight as a dashboard, reports, construction IQ or data connector, administration as a user management, Autodesk ID or project administration. So new updates on docs is today's our topic, and new technical updates for all the products of ACC can be visible on the help page section, and there we can toggle between what's new section. In this section, we can navigate the new features of docs or any other projects of ACC or any other products of ACC. Generally, Autodesk release updates in every 2 months of a calendar year. So in July 2023, there are many updates. Apart from that, we have some updates to discuss. One is bulk edit drop-down value descriptions. Members can add, edit, and delete drop-down values and descriptions in bulk, as well as paste new values from an XLSX file or Excel file. Display drop-down value descriptions. The drop-down value name and full descriptions shows in search and filter, hovering over a value and when searching a drop-down list. Increase in attribute character length. Members can now choose up to 50 characters rather than 32 characters for the text field type of character attributes. Multi-select folders and files. Now we can select and deselect multiple folders and files when creating a transmitter. So let's discuss about the first thing, which is bulk edit drop-down value description. For that, we have to first go to our browser. In our browser, we have to visit the website acc.autodesk.com. When acc.autodesk.com opens, we have our My Home projects or project template list. In this, we will select the projects. In projects, we have there our product. From product picker, we will choose docs as our product. In docs, in the files section, we have a settings option in the right corner. While clicking settings, we will see attributes there. While clicking attributes, we can see attributes detail here. Now we will perform the drop down. We'll choose our drop down list. In the drop down list, we have three dots where we'll choose edit option. When we choose edit option, a page opens where name of the attribute is shown above and all the drop down values are there. We can select add value for a single value add or bulk edit values. First, we will choose add value. So we can add a single value here like 04. I'm choosing here as a 04, which describes as a fourth floor for our level attributes. After typing all this, we'll select just on the right correction mark. In bulk edit, we can see all the drop down values here. Now in bulk edit, you can edit, you can uh, remove whatever you want to remove, you can add here. Now we will choose our Excel file, which was open in my system right now and in the background. Now I'll go to my Excel file. Here I'll select the values which I already put it here for my drop down list. I'll copy it. Now I'll choose on the ninth section and I then paste. Now my all 04 for fourth floor, 05 for fifth floor is there. Now I can see all the levels. Also, we can reorder our attributes. When we are getting a hand marked here, we can just do reordering. If we want to move 04 on the top or 01 on the top, we can do that thing. After doing all this thing, we'll just save this attribute, and now our all the attributes which was added by ourselves in this project is shown here. Now this will help out us on the many things, like we will not have to manually enter each and every attribute. We'll just export, or we'll just copy it from the Excel file, and by copying it, we'll simply paste it and it will be done there, and we'll just have to save it. Display drop down value descriptions. So we'll see the value descriptions here. Like in settings, I'll go to attributes. In attributes, I can see name of the attribute, type, description, naming standard, either it is added in a naming standard or not. Type, is it a text field attribute or a drop down list? So we can see all the attribute details here, all the attribute descriptions here, which was in our project. The third topic is increase in attribute character length. So for this, we have to again go to the settings. We'll move to the in settings, we'll move to our attributes. In attributes, now we will move to our naming standard to customize our attributes here. In naming standard, it is a good thing that now we will customize our naming standard and increase the length of our attribute. So in attribute, we will choose the text field option here, text field attribute. Now we will edit it on the character settings. Like we can use 50, 49 character length as a maximum. While attribute change, previously attribute character length was 32. Now it is 50. So it will help out many mega projects where the character length of attributes will be vary, and it will be more rather than 28, 25. It will be more like 40, 45, maybe whatever in your as per your project. And our fourth topic is multi-select folders and files in transmitters. Previously, we have to choose each and every file for transmitters. Now we'll just move to transmitters. In transmitters, we'll create a transmitter. And create transmitter, I can either choose a whole folder. Here I'm choosing a whole folder. I'll select files now. It will show me whole folders file as it is project files folder name. In project files, there are total of 26 files. Now all the 26 files will be moved for a transmitter. If I'll move, we can select multiple files also. Like I am going to project files pre-award. Now I'm choosing from my one drawing folder. I'll select files. I can give a transmitter a title. I can choose recipients whom I want to send. We can choose multiple recipients here. As we know, view permissions, we can see all recipients or only recipients can see themselves. And after that, I'll just move the file for the transmitter. So due to these features, it helped a lot in the new upcoming updates. Also, we can go to an help section for more updates. Thank you. That's it in this Tech Tuesday session. We'll meet on the next Tuesday. Thank you.